Today we're going to talk about and give you a demonstration of the free online teleprompter, and it's got voice controlled scrolling. Now, how this came about, I blog, but I also YouTube, and I have kind of winged it in the past, but when I'm trying to make more structured videos where you've got to have more of a script, I had the camera here I was looking at, and then the script was there where the on that computer, and I'd get halfway through a sentence, I'd forget where I was, I'd have to stop, look, come back, and then go through again, and then you'd mess up the next bit. And it was like that back and forth. It took me 2 hours to record a 20-minute video. And then I went to edit the video, and I looked at it, and because I was so frustrated, I was not energetic because I was trying to think of what I was going to say rather than just knowing because it's in front of you. And I almost put myself to sleep. So that's how this came about. I thought, I asked AI, look, how hard would it be? Because I've made several other tools. We'll show you this. I've already trained my AI to do it, but if we go to my tools page, if it opens, you can see I've made a QR generator, a browser-based image compressor, resizer, cropper that I use all the time. It's so good. I used to use 4 different websites to do the same thing I can do in that one tool. Background remover, then I've got a whole bunch of SEO, internal linking, link finding opportunity tools, and then this one. And I've also got a script prompt coming for YouTube videos as well. Script prompt creator, which drags in techniques from different influencers. So let's get into this voice controlled. It's not hard. All right. All you do is you come down here, you click on that box there, and you go paste and put your script in there. All right. And it works out, all right, there's 2,000 words. It should take about 18 minutes at 160 words a minute. Now, you can vary that. If you're a slow talker, you can put it down to 100. If you're 100 miles an hour, 220. But I've worked out that I'm about 160 or thereabouts. Okay, so I put it at 160, and it remembers that next time I come in. Text size, I want about 40, but you can change that. And what we're saying is, down here is the teleprompter. So if you think that's too small, you come up here and you make it 64, and you come down there and you go, whoa, that's too big. So you come up. All right, so you work out where you want it. Okay, line spacing, you can spread it out more if you like. Focus line position, 40%. That's this blue line here. Now you can push that higher up, but I like to have it near in the middle so you can see what's coming a little bit, and then if you get a little bit behind the bar, it doesn't disappear on you. You can still finish that sentence and then catch up in the shorter ones, shorter paragraphs. So, yep, that's that one. And recording countdown. So when you start teleprompter like that, say it goes 3, 2, 1. But here's the beautiful thing. And you can see it's doing it. Pause after 1 second of silence. So you can see I'm talking and the scroller is moving. But if I stop, see there, it says paused, and then I start talking again, it starts moving again. Now that's a beautiful thing, because if you get stuck on a sentence and you know you've messed up, just stop talking. Go back a couple of sentences, stop talking and go back a sentence. Then you can redo that and edit out the wrong one, like so. And obviously you can go full screen and do it like that, so it's buzzing away. And if you come down to the bottom, it doesn't stop there. It goes all the way through. So pretty impressed, if I don't say so myself. That took absolutely no time to create, and I thought, well, what a tool, because I wanted it for me. Now I'm just going to quickly knock up a blog post to go with it, and I'll probably record that and put it on the channel as well, another live blogging post. But I'm pretty impressed with how that works and the speed at which we got this one working, because some of the tools I've created that have been absolute pigs. You've had to go to, iteration 45 to get it working the way you want it. But the only thing I don't have on this is light dark mode, but it doesn't need it. So guys, enjoy. And this is one of those really cool things that you go to find online, and all you come up against is join here, pay here. This is going to be free because it's browser based, and we'll go from there. And what's this, a little 5-minute video? How quick was that? Be awesome. And I'll obviously, if you like what I've created, come over to the tools page and bookmark it, okay, because there's all these different tools, and more will come over time as I need them. And obviously, if you're on the YouTube video, subscribe, and yeah, keep an eye out for when I do a blog live, in which I'm going to do one in about 5 minutes when this video is finished being put up. So be awesome, and I'll see you on the inside. Andrew out.